Climb higher, climb higher, climb higher, climb higher, climb higher. Don't be satisfied with where you are. Don't be content. We got to be ambitious and have a desire to move forward, to go higher. I am going to talk of something serious for people who would want to go to the higher level and to the next dimension. You can't do this sitting with crows and chickens and talking about reality shows and guffawing on some silly stuff. If you are sitting and watching all the social media notifications, you just hear it from me, you're going nowhere. The devil is destroying your vision. Be careful. This is for adventurous people and ambitious people who want to climb higher. If you want to do something unique, if you want to do something substantial, then remember you have to pay a price and remove yourself from every silliness that is happening around you. If you have started a new business, a new project, even a new YouTube channel or a new project, a new church, something new, or even you don't have to do something new, but you want to live a different life and you want to do something different and be different, then you cannot afford to be like your neighbor who is just interested about the next movie release. Stay separated, and you have to look like eagles, and you have to look at the eagles who desire to fly high. Okay, see, when people are climbing Mount Everest, I'm going to talk about Mount Everest because every time our aim should be high. The people, when they start their summit, the basement camp is very full of fun. All the journalists are there, family are there to say bye, and you've got your new all the tech, the latest, you are geared up with all the latest things, and you're pepped up. But slowly, as you start climbing, and when you go to the next camp, you get tired, and then people are not going to talk much. There is silence. And I mean, it is during that midway process that we have to get ourselves in gear up, and we have to get ourselves to saying that no, I'm going to get tough, I'm going to finish it. Understand? It's not going to be cool. Please understand, the journey is not going to be cool. The journey is going to be tough, but the toughest will make it. See, founders and builders and leaders and all that, they all have tough situation in their life. Sachin Tendulkar would not be called the god of cricket if he had not faithfully practiced every day of his life. And if you see Ratan Tata, he is owning multi-businesses and a brand named Tata. If he had been a playboy, and if he was not serious and hardworking, courageous, confident and consistent, he would not be where he is now. So we should, be serious about what we want to do, and be consistent in our work. Be brave. Be brave. God bless you.